How to access router IP address 192.168.0.1. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to the router, either via Wi-Fi or directly through an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you want. Step 3. Enter the IP address 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and press Enter. Step 4. Now, you should see the router's login page. Here, you'll need to enter your username and password. The default login details are usually printed on the back of your router or in the user manual. Common default usernames are admin, and default passwords might be password. If you've changed these details before, use the updated ones. Step 6. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to your router's settings. From here, you can manage your Wi-Fi network, change passwords, and more.